Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here, and sometimes I get even more than that. All right, good morning, everybody. It's July 14th, Tuesday. So I'm going to go ahead and get into a trade here, I think, in a few minutes. Let's pull it up. Bum, 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 bum. Where did it go? There it is. And let's change that to the 5-minute chart. All right, here we go. So it looks like a short. So we'll be getting in about a minute. All right, so we're jumping in this thing short. Algorithm switched, telling us to short it. And we got permission. Volume's all right. All right, so we are in short. Let's mark it up. Okay, looking to get through 12 here, and then we'll put our stop in at 12:03 right now. A tight spread here on the bid and the ask. So we'll clear and buy this back because we're short. Okay, so we're 12, which is our target. And just waiting for that thing. There we go. All right, so now we're in at 12. And then next one's going to be 11.76 if it doesn't back up and get us out. All right, let's see what happens here. So we already hit our target. We got our stop in for our target. Everything now is bonus money. So looking for bonus money. I could jump out right now and get some bonus money, 1 penny. But if it, let's see if it keep going down here. It's a big candle, so it's probably going to retrace and get us out. But we'll see what happens. We're in the money. At least we got the first target. That's nice. I like it when it's fast like that. Jump in, get the trade. Everything happens quick. Get out. All right, cool. We out. We out. All right, so just double check everything. Yeah, good deal. So 21 cents on that trade. First trade of the day on Tuesday, 21 cents. We'll hang out for a little bit and see if these one of these other ones set up, and then if not, then we'll bounce out of here. At least we got our one in and made some money. All right, be back in a little bit. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for me today. My other stock's not setting up, and I don't trade it after 12, so... and it's 11. There's nowhere near setting up. So I'm going to call it a day right here and shut it down. And then, yeah, so good day today. And then 21 cents profit for today. And we'll be back on Wednesday. All right. Hope everybody had an awesome day.